In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money to Nigeria with Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account in the app or on the website. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct sending screen. At the top of the page, you'll see the country selection area. Click on that and choose Nigeria as the destination country. This is an important first step because it ensures the transfer options, delivery methods, and recipient details are set up correctly for Nigeria. After selecting Nigeria, click Send Money to begin the transfer process. You'll then be taken to the section where you choose the person you want to send money to. If the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, this part is quick and easy. Just click on their Saved Contact to continue. If the recipient has not been saved before, click New Contact instead. Then select their country and enter the required recipient information as prompted on the screen. Make sure the details are accurate because even a small mistake can delay the transfer or cause problems with delivery. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, Remitly will usually show you the exchange rate and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. This is helpful because you can review the total before moving forward and make sure everything looks right. After that, select the delivery method. Depending on what's available, this could include options like bank deposit or other supported delivery choices for Nigeria. Choose the one that matches how your recipient wants to receive the money. Once that's done, select your payment method. This is how you'll pay for the transfer, and the available options may vary depending on your region and account setup. After choosing your payment method, click Continue. From there, enter the recipient's account details carefully and follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the transfer. Take your time reviewing each section before submitting, especially the recipient information, transfer amount, and payment details. Double-checking everything at this stage can help you avoid delays and ensure the money reaches the right person smoothly. And that's it. That's how to transfer money to Nigeria with Remitly. Follow each screen carefully, confirm the details before you send, and your transfer should be completed as smoothly as possible.